Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Hulu for Smart TV Home Hubs, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start, ensure your smart TV is connected to the internet. Turn on your smart TV and navigate to the home screen. Locate and open the App Store available on your TV. In the App Store, search for Hulu using the search function. Once you find the Hulu app, select it to view its details. Click on the download or install button to begin the installation. Wait for the app to finish downloading, then open it. If you already have a Hulu account, select the login option. Enter your email address and password associated with your account. If you don't have an account, choose the option to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information. Select a subscription plan that suits your needs. Input your payment details to complete the transaction. Review your information to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, finalize the subscription process. After subscribing, you can start watching Hulu immediately. Explore the various shows and movies available for streaming. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection or restart the app. Enjoy your Hulu experience on your smart TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.